Hello everyone, we are having Manish Agrawal with us, AIR 40. Hello Manish.
Hi, Kamini. Thank you for having me on the
Uh,
platform.
yeah. Manish, please enlighten us for your journey, from your journey.
I was born and brought up in the steel city of India, Jamshedpur. I did my schooling from a Parsi school, JS Sarapur, based in Jamshedpur. Thereafter, since I am Marwari, so I had that I wanted to be a chartered accountant from the childhood. So after completing my 12th, I enrolled for my CA, and I like all the three levels CPT, IPCC final were cleared in the first attempt with the All India rank 40 in the finals. So like if I have to give a background about my educational background, so I was not very good in studies. I remember when I was in standard three, so I had failed in class six, in class three, sorry. So, but it was a common saying that Battle of Kalinga, as you must be knowing, Battle of Kalinga was a turning point in Ganga Shuka's life. So truly believe that failure in standard 3 was something that shook me internally, and that was something that turned me that I should focus on my career, I should focus on my studies. So from that moment, I started taking my career, my studies seriously, and slowly and steadily, I started developing a habit of studying, having a career goal, and slowly my academics got improved. And today, I scored a rank in CA finals, a course which is considered to be one of the toughest course in India.
Yes, yeah, it is one of the toughest course in India. Yes. मनीष मैंने क्वेश्चन को मतलब लाइक लोग क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे तो मुझे कुछ क्वेश्चंस आए थे कि भाई रैंक वाले क्या बादाम खाते हैं क्या कौन सी चक्की का आटा खाते हैं जो उनकी रैंक आती है मतलब कैसे पढ़ते हैं क्योंकि पढ़ते सब सेम है कि रैंक वालों में ऐसा क्या स्पेशल होता है.
If I have to give my example, when I was studying for my CA panel, I didn't have this mind that I want to be a rank. I don't want to secure a rank or want to be a rank holder. This was never on my head or my mind. My only focus was I want to clear my CA panel in the first attempt because I didn't have the patience that to study the same thing again and again if I fail. And I remember
Yes.
we have a teacher, Praveen Samatha, for accounts. So he used to say that
Yeah.
if it is tough, if CA is a difficult course, it is because of CA final. If someone says that CA is a difficult course because of CA IPCC or CA CPT, then it is the myth. CA is a difficult course because of CA final. And many students just get stuck in the CA journey because of the CA final. So I had that mindset that CA final is the toughest. So I had put in so much efforts that no, in any matter, in any how I have to clear my CA final in the first attempt. So I gave so much of hard work, so much of dedication, so much of hard work that I cleared my CA final in the first attempt, but I also secured a rank.
So we can say कि Praveen Sharma sir is your inspiration.
Yeah, you can say like I did my accounts class of IBC and finals from him only, and I consider him as a inspiration.
Yeah. So Manish, one question is after 12th, like मैंने हमेशा देखा है सीए किसी का सपना नहीं होता बनना. या तो वो लोग आते हैं सीए में क्योंकि उसमें पैसा बहुत है और इन्वेस्टमेंट कम है, राइट? और
Right.
या फिर आते हैं लाइक फ्रेंड्स कर रहे हैं हम भी आ गए. पेरेंट्स का प्रेशर है आ जाओ एंटर कर जाओ सीए में एंटर करके. व्हाट इंस्पायर्स यू?
uh, what inspired me. So it is. I did also a story for this. As I said that when I was in standard three, I failed. So after my failure, it was obvious that my parents were very disheartened. So instead of scolding or something, what my parents did that they hired a tuition teacher for me, a teacher home tutor to say the truth. So that teacher would come to my house and teach me everything. So that guy, I would like to name that person also. His name was Montu Das, Sir Montu Das. So there was something in him that Manish, you are good in maths, you are good in this, you are good in that. Try go for CA because he himself was a CA student. So he
Okay.
always used to say me that Manish, you are good in maths, you are good in this, you are good in that. Go for CA. You should try for CA. Yes, I agree. CA is a difficult course, but go for CA. You can do it. So that was something which inspired me. If Montu sir is saying that I can be a CA, so I should go for a CA. And being a Marwari, it is something we go for CA also. So that was but the main inspiration was my
Yes.
mom.
ओके आपको सीए में जब एंटर कर रहे थे एक्चुअली यू नो कि व्हाट सीए डू लाइक सीए क्या काम करता है जब आप
To
सीए
say,
में एंटर किए
when I entered in CA, I only knew one thing about CA. That CA means chartered accountant and nothing else. Like
या
what is
एवरी मतलब लाइक
what is final, what is audit, what is direct tax, what is indirect tax. I had no idea. Only CA means chartered accountant and nothing else.
या सेम लाइक मैंने काफी लोगों को देखा है बिफोर गोइंग इनटू द सीए दे डिडंट नो अबाउट इट व्हाट सीए एक्चुअली डू बट हाँ टफेस्ट कोर्स है इसलिए करना है बस ये माइंडसेट रहता है सबका ओके कुछ क्वेश्चंस और पूछे हैं कि आपको अपनी सीए फाइनल प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करते टाइम कितने मंथ्स की सेल्फ स्टडी चाहिए कि आपका कोचिंग्स कब तक एंड हो जाना चाहिए एंड किस तरीके से आपकी प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजीज रहनी चाहिए
So in this, I would like to say that what you said that after completing a coaching, how many months of self study you need for final. My question is,
Yeah.
why should we
या
go for coaching?
या
Why we do self study? If I have to give my example, there are 8 subjects in CA final, right? So out of 8, I took classes for only
Yeah.
2. One was direct tax, another was your FR from Praveen Sharma. Apart from these two, all the 6 was
या
I did self study. Reason behind was my articleship because I did my articleship from a firm which is very famous in Jamshedpur and it has a lot of work and you get a lot of experience. So I didn't wanted to miss that opportunity just because I have a final classes. I wanted to explore the practical version of my CA instead of going and sitting in a class and spending 3 hours, 3.5 hours. So because of that, I took only 2 classes and rest 6 was something I did self study. And I started if my exams, CA final exam were during May 18. I started my CA final preparation in October 16. Like I started my articleship in October 15. 1 year I was like that I will give entirely to my articleship, no studies, only articleship I will do. And after 1 year of articleship, when I have around 1.5 years or 2 years left my final, I will focus on my finals. So this was a strategy that I followed.
ओके थैंक यू सो मच इट विल डेफिनेटली गेट बेनिफिटेड मतलब बहुत लोगों को इससे बहुत बेनिफिट होने वाला है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एफआर एंड डीटी का सिलेबस बहुत वास्ट है हाउ टू मैनेज इट कि लाइक किस तरीके से इसका रिवीजन स्ट्रैटेजी होना चाहिए कैसे रिटेंशन होना चाहिए सब्जेक्ट का हाउ टू रिटेन द सब्जेक्ट्स and literally if I say about the DT is literally a very vast subject and it's difficult to retain that subject so what are your views about it
So if I have to tell about DT or direct tax, like direct tax was something which is my first love. Okay, so like if I am presently working in Ernst & Young as a corporate tax consultant, which is something related to your income tax and international taxation. So I had from the very starting of my CA journey, I had a keen interest in taxation. So in direct tax, as I said, I did classes for 2 subjects, direct tax and FR. Direct tax I took from Vinod Gupta sir. So whenever Vinod Gupta sir used to teach a particular section or particular chapter, what I used to do, I used to go to my office and I used to apply that section. Anyhow, I used to apply that section.
okay
Any form, anything on anything. For example, you must be knowing that if a SSC has rental income, okay, he is getting a rent.
yeah
Whether it will be classified as the income from house property or income from PGB. It is a very common question. There were many which I studied in my DT classes from Vinod Gupta sir. When I was in office, when I was doing audit for one of our clients, and when I was doing the tax audit and income tax preparation of tax computation, I applied that section. I applied that case law that this guy has a rental income. That case law says that if the rental income, if the MOA or the article says that his objective is to earn income, then it will be a PGB. So I checked the article of association whether what is the objective of the company. It says the objective is to give rent, give buildings or give furniture on rent. So it was something it's business and it is not a housing income but a PGB income.
yeah
So
PGP yeah
this is something how I used to manage DT. What I studied in my CA final classes, I used to apply in. Same goes with FR. In FR, there was a subject known as chapter known as holding company, the vast chapter. I'm not sure whether it is there in new
Yeah.
chapter in new syllabus or not, but in old syllabus, it was a vast chapter of your FR.
It is also in new syllabus actually.
So
Yeah.
at CFS, we prepare a consolidated financial statement, correct? In holding company.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
so if you in office in articleship, when we do ROC filing, so at that time,
Yes.
I'm not sure. I'm not. I can't recall the form number, but in a particular form, we have to give the CFS. So we are required to prepare the CFS of that company, and that CFS along with the form is filed with the ROC. So this is how. So when ROC filing was being done, like there was a in my office there was a separate team who used to do ROC filing, but they were not very good in preparing the CFS. So I had asked my principal, sir, I want to take this opportunity to prepare the CFS because it is my CA final. Told him directly, sir, it is my CA final. So if you allow me to prepare CFS, it will help me to have a better understanding of the syllabus, better understanding of the chapter. And my
Yeah.
sir, very cooperative, very supportive. He said, you go, whatever information you need, you tell me, I will give you. So when we were studying CFS, I remember we used to get when the company is incorporated, how many shares were issued, what was the dividend, and all. So I used to apply everything in my office. So the question of to answer your question, how to study FR and DT, being it is a vast subject,
Yes.
vast chapter, apply each and every most probably or each and every part of your chapter or something that you study in class in your office. That will help to have a better understanding, better grasp of that concept, which I believe.
Okay. We can conclude this question by saying that whatever you studied, please try to apply in your work in practical life. Right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Next question was, most of the pupils doesn't solve the test papers and all mock test papers and all before going to the examinations. What are your views on that? What is the significance of the test papers before going to the exams and all?
Uh, for my CA final, I will give this answer of this question from my CA final perspective. Like when I was preparing, like you must be knowing that the syllabus of finals is too huge. Okay, so what happens if I take the example of DT? It takes around 20 days to have a revision of the complete revision. So what happens? What you study in day one, by the time you are completed your CF TT revision on the 20th day, you will forget what happens on day one, and that is a human tendency.
Yes.
We start forgetting things. Okay, but if you don't solve the test papers or anything or that RTP that you used to have, what will happen if we don't solve that? We will see that after 20 days I had to revision for the entire thing, entire sections, entire chapter, all the 5 heads of income, losses, everything, and I know everything. But real test arises when you give the RTP, solve the question, because at that time you will came to know that what I studied in day one, whether I am able to recall that or not. And also what happens in question paper or something, concept from 2 chapters or 3 chapters or 5 chapters are combined. So whether your mind is developed that you are able to solve to that extent, that is also important. So answering your question, solving RTP, solving question papers before the exam is very must. And also one thing which I used to say that like ICI organizes your test papers, mock
Yeah.
test.
On ICA branch, right? Only. Yeah.
Correct. So like what I did, I never went to the branch to give the papers because that will
Okay.
take 2 hours of transportation. 2 hours transportation. 2 hours are gone from commuting from branch or and home. Instead of that, I used to solve the papers at home. I have a that alarm, a timer. I used to take the paper. I used to solve it, and I make sure that I solve the paper in 2.5 hours. I never had a target of 3 hours. 3 hours. I had a target of 2.5 hours.
Yes. Yeah. So we can conclude this question ki like mock test papers are really important before going to the interview sessions, right? Before going to the examination hall. Yeah, right. The next question is, you said that you applied everything you learned in through your subject in your articleship, right? Most of the peoples, but most of the peoples are here in our community only that who believes in the dummy articleship, right? So, what are your views on that?
Like views having whether one should go for dummy articleship or not.
Yeah, मतलब like कि लोग dummy articleship करते हैं, that is it right or is it right or not, and
Okay.
what to do, like are they doing right thing? आप उसको क्या guide करोगे उन लोगों को?
Okay, so as you must be knowing that I am also taking GMCs and OT classes for my ITI Jamshedpur branch.
Yeah,
This is a very common question that I get from the student. Like there are student who comes to me and say that Manish, I want to go for dummy because I think if I go for dummy, I will get a ample amount of time to study for the finals. So in that case, I gave an example of one of my known network, a person who
yeah,
successfully cleared CA final in first CA all levels of CA TPT IBC in final in first attempt. That guy was a dummy article. Went for the interview. As you must be knowing, the ICI conducts campus in campus selection after you complete your
yes,
CA. You have two locations, big city and a small city. So that guy went to a big city, didn't get any job. Went to the small city, didn't get any job. Applied off campus, didn't get any job. Today, that guy is working in a mediocre CA firm, earning hardly 20,000 or something. So, what I want to say is, until and unless you go to the office, you have a practical exposure. See, clearing CA finals, clearing CA IPC, TPT in first attempt, that is good. But what does the corporate need? Corporate needs
yes,
that you having a practical knowledge. If a guy doesn't have a practical knowledge, if he has a rank, suppose he's all India rank 10 or 20 or 1 or 2, anything. What that corporate do with that rank? Nothing. But what that
nothing,
corporate needs the experience or the practical exposure that that guy has, so that that corporate could take out something, take out from the client, from that person. If that person is a rank holder or something, if doesn't has a practical knowledge, then that person is a waste for the corporate, and that person won't survive for more than 1 month, 2 months on that corporate. That is a sure shot guarantee. So, answering your question, if a candidate is thinking of dummy, that thought should be dropped out, because if the person cleared the CF final in the first attempt, that will guy has a zero knowledge in practical knowledge, and he have to face music in finding a good job.
so we can conclude this question. If you want a good job or a practical experience, you must go for the articleship, not for dummy articleship, right?
Right.
So, Manish, I want to ask one more question. Like now, students have phone addiction a lot. In spite of watching the revision videos, they start suffering the content which is really not important for the exams. Like how to stop the phone addiction, especially the YouTube addiction.
See, this is something it depends from person to person. Like everyone has a phone tendency, a phone addiction today. If I have to give my example, when I have a tendency to use phones a lot, but that depends on the mindset of the person. What is more important to that person, clearing exam or suffering that? For example, if I have to do the example when I was studying for finals, if I was not able to understand something, I used to Google, because Google was my best friend. Anything I don't know, I used to Google. For example, SFM. I did
Yeah.
SFM. There are a lot of things, a lot of concepts. Many things I am not remember. I'm not sure now. So there were many things, many concepts which was new for me in SFM. So I used to do Google a lot, and a lot. So it depends on person how he takes. If he's facing so, if not very much focus on your CF in your CA completing CA in first attempt, then no one can stop him from using phone. So use phone, but use phone for a better purpose for you, for clearing your CA final. Like I used to do, Google a lot. For YouTube, I used to watch videos to understand a particular concept. For example, if in costing, I remember in costing, I did on my own. I used to see few videos of Sanjay Agarwal sir. for few concepts. For
Yes.
example, you are there was in old syllabus we have 70 marks costing and 30 marks QR.
OR. Yeah.
OR, sorry, OR.
Yeah.
That OR I
OR.
get.
Yeah.
I saw few videos of Sanjay Gavaskar from YouTube, and I did from that OR. So it depends on person and person how you use the phone.
Yes. We can conclude this question by saying that you this is your choice how you use the phone, positively or negatively. This will directly affect your preparation strategies, right?
Correct.
But more questions like when we studied, like we always used to have the conversation with friends, और कहीं ना कहीं हमारा social भी cut हो जाता है, लेकिन किसी ना किसी के contact में रहना is important. What are your views on that? Have you have any friend जिसके साथ आप exam time पे all time connected थे?
Can you repeat the question because the question is not clear to me?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. कि like हम लोग को हम जब preparations करते हैं, when we used to study for our CA finals, then we need one friend कि that who studied with us, right? Is it important to have this friend or not?
Okay. So yeah, I will say that it is very important to have that one friend, a friend who is as hungry for knowledge as you are, as hungry to clear CA final as you are. And luckily, I had a friend. I will name her also, Medha, CA Medha Agarwal, CS Medha Agarwal. So she was a friend that was there with me. Both our finals were in May 18, and both got leave from my art scholarship around 4 to 5 months before the exam. And she was from different city. So every day we had a schedule like from 4 to 5. We will have a call, and all that you studied in the day or whatever doubt you had, you ask me, I will clear that doubt. And what doubt you have, you ask me, I will clear that. So this way we used to study, and all our doubts were cleared. And luckily, both cleared the CA final in
Okay,
the first.
that's really great actually. Okay. What are your advice to the students who are preparing for the exam for November 21 or afterwards?
See, my advice would be only one thing that work hard to clear your CA panel in the first attempt, because once you get an attempt, then it becomes very difficult to clear the CA because you have to
Yeah.
study same thing again and again. And it is a human tendency that no one can study one thing again and again so effectively. Your first attempt is your best attempt. This is my mantra that I used to have. Your first attempt is your best attempt. After that is something you do repetitively. Okay, so
Yeah.
consider your first attempt as your best attempt and try to clear your final in the first attempt.
I also agree with this point. First attempt is very crucial because you have that passion to clear the examinations. Once the things gets repeated, it is very difficult to study, and being continuous on these studies and study, like it will like the hell. Yeah. One more thing, that result is awaiting for the July examinations, and after that, people will start searching the jobs. So, what are the ways available for getting the jobs, and how to apply for the job?
Okay, so one thing before candidate apply for a job, a candidate should be clear like which particular path or which particular service line that candidate should go. For example, once we do articleship in a mediocre firm, then we get exposure on stat audit, internal audit, taxation, direct and indirect, bank audit, concurrent audit, and there are many things that we do. But when you go into a corporate, when you go into an MNC, when you go in a big four, then you have to choose a particular service line. You can't have everything under the basket. So first, the candidate should decide what is that particular service line in which he or she is interested. For example, in my case, I was interested in direct tax. So I was after clearing
Yes.
CA, I was searching jobs in direct tax only. I
Corporate.
used all from stat audit or internal audit, but I used to refuse because I was more focused on my direct tax. So a candidate should consider first thing, sit and think what is the particular service line in which he or she is interested. If that particular guy is interested in stat audit, Search jobs or start audit. Go for campus. They are campus organized by ICL. You get opportunity to apply for two cities. One is big city and another is small city. Go for both the cities.
Yeah.
See which particular company you get hired. If you are not get hired in either big city or small city, don't get disheartened. Apply offline. Start applying for your job as soon as you clear your CF panel. Don't wait for 1 month or 2 months that I will celebrate, I will party for 2 months, and after that I will start applying for or searching for job. Do party, do have your that small 2 or 3 days of happiness and celebration, but after 2 or 3 days start searching for jobs. That is something which I will advise to all the students who are about to clear your CA panel in July 2020.
According to you, which is the best platform to find out the jobs offline?
Platform as in?
Like, for example, like from where they can search for the jobs, whether there are vacancies available or not.
Okay. So in that case, I will say that LinkedIn is something which I prefer a lot for jobs, because in LinkedIn people they post a lot about vacancies in the particular company they are working on. Even the corporates, they post vacancies they have in the and various vacancies they have in the company. So for me, LinkedIn is the best to find a job. And apart from that, there are many websites, Naukri.com, Upside.com, and there are jobs indeed, I think, and there are many, but I think LinkedIn is the best.
I want to add one more thing. Yeah, LinkedIn is really the best thing. The other advantage of LinkedIn is also these are reference. You can get the reference easily, and if you are applying for the interview, the company will give the preference to the reference one first. Always.
That is there in every MNC, every big company, every big four.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Manish. It was a great session with you. Hope we will connect next time also. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Shubham, for having me on this platform.
Thank you, Manish.
It was nice talking to you.